Let's talk about one-hot encoding. That's one technique to represent words into numeric representations. So let's take an example. Let's say you have a corpus of text in which there are only 5 words, which are, let's say, banana, apple, I eat, and oven, right? There are only 5 words. Assume that in the whole corpus you have many documents, and all the documents only 5 of these words occur. I'm taking this example to simplify how to represent what is the numeric vector. So in one hot encoding, what happens is, since there are 5 words, we can represent all the words by using a 5-bit number, which appears like this: 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits, and each word will be represented by presence of 1 in that position and absence of 0 in the other position. So we can say banana can be represented as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then apple can be represented as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. I can be represented as 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. It can be represented as 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. And often can be represented as 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So each presence of 1 indicates a unique word for that particular position, and this numeric representation can be used in our deep learning algorithm, neural networks, to compute and process further to train the examples for certain patterns. So in this particular case, you must have noticed is the dimension, that is the number of elements in the array, which is also known as the dimension of each vector, is directly proportional to the number of elements in the corpus. So if there are 5 words in the corpus, which means it's a 5-dimensional vector, right? So this is very simplistic example. Let's say now English dictionary has over 1 million words. So if you want to represent all the words in the English dictionary, you would need each word would need a vector with 1 million dimension, right? So if you want each word with 1 million dimensions, and there are 1 million words, so total storage would be 1 million words into 1 million dimension is equal to 1 billion, right? So it's very large, right? So this representation is called a sparse representation of words, and is used only in those cases where the corpus, the unique words, which is also known as the vocabulary, is small, typically less than 500 words, right? But if you really want to use it for a general dictionary, this technique is not used. So that's about one-hot encoding.